Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make red Swiss meringue buttercream. Start by whisking egg whites and sugar over gentle heat until 70 degrees C and the sugar dissolves completely. Transfer to a stand mixer and whip to glossy stiff peaks before adding softened butter piece by piece. Finish by blending in gel red color slowly until you reach an even, vibrant hue suitable for piping and filling cakes. Whisk egg whites and granulated sugar over a simmering water bath until the mixture reaches 70 degrees C and the sugar is dissolved. Remove from heat and immediately whip in a stand mixer until glossy stiff peaks form, about 8 to 12 minutes, depending on your mixer. This creates the stable base that lets butter be incorporated without melting, ensuring a silky, stable buttercream for smooth piping and clean edges on cakes. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a bold, refreshing scent that keeps your ride pleasant after bakery runs and ingredient trips. I find it amusingly relevant when my kitchen smells of sugar and butter. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the meringue glossy and cooled to room temperature, add soft, unsalted butter in small pieces while mixing on low speed to form a smooth emulsion. Increase speed gradually and continue until the texture is light and silky. If it looks separated, keep mixing and stay patient. Add gel red color a little at a time, folding gently until evenly distributed, stopping when you get the shade you want for decorating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.